Our goal as manufacturing reps is not to be a sales rep, if you will. It's to be an educator. Our goal with this is to go out and educate the market on why this is a solution to a massive problem that we're facing in the roofing industry. The more that we can educate, the more that we can train, the more that we can get people excited about this product, the more they're going to want it because they understand and they find the value in this product.
This is a fantastic product, and the system Westlake has put together, it works. But this project's well north of a $3 million project, as most multifamilies are. This isn't a job for somebody to come in and cut their teeth on. You want to go with who's recommended so that it can be stood behind, not just by the contractor, but by the manufacturers.
This is a product that is solving a solution that, yes, is it a little bit more on the upfront cost? It is. It's an investment. You're investing into the protection of your home and your buildings and your structure. This is a product that fits that solution.
There's so many tile roofs in Florida, and it's a great example of how you can get the look of a tile roof, but it be much more efficient and long-term, fits the long-term needs for the community economically.